What motivated you to actually become a mentor?
As I went through their training, I came to know so many aspects which I was not knowing so far, and how deep they are going into these aspects and coming out with solutions which will be helpful for students. So that attracted me more.
Good evening, Makaran sir, and welcome to Dheya Masterpieces. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm very much in a good mood and
Uh,
a lot of work being done today, so I was happy.
So let's start by getting to know you a bit better. Can we start by knowing a bit about your career journey?
Yeah, so I'm basically did my MSc in microbiology in fermentation technology and started career way back in 1985 and first worked with VARC, a government company, and then moved into research organization into Hex Pharmaceutical, which is now known as Sanofi Aventis. I was working on fermentation research. Then, as opportunity came, I went into planning section of Hex Pharmaceutical, and from there onwards, I went into commercial part. So from the 1990 onwards, I am into commercial part. So learned a lot in pharmaceutical industry. So I was working with Hex Pharmaceutical, then I moved to Merin, then I moved to Cadila, Vocard, and all these journeys were there. So a lot of learning throughout the journey. I handled all kinds of planning, including manpower planning, demand planning, material planning, production planning, scheduling, and all those aspects. And then moving from Hex to Merin, where I took care of fermentations as such. So planning of fermentations and other allied businesses of Merin, which is also a Tata company. From there, I moved for 1 year. I was in Vocard, uh, heading the planning part, and then moved to Cadila in Ankleshwar. So I was taking care of entire supply chain as such. So in Merinda, I had handled part of purchase and part of supply chain, along with the production planning and this thing. And then in Cadila, I was supply chain head for their API business as such. From there, I went to one of the company in Mumbai, again in a pharma, which is 100% EOU. There, I was taking care of entire supply chain management, export-oriented unit. From there, I moved to company called Jivudon, which world may not be knowing. So it's a fragrance and flavor company, which is world number one company. I started there as a planning head and then took over the entire operations for Jivudhan India's operations for fragrance and flavor manufacturing, which is a B2B business. So I spent almost 6 years with Jivudhan and had a global exposure. So I used to go to Germany sometime to Singapore for the regional meetings and all those, and got a good exposure on operations. So I was handling entire operations, how we will improve the efficiencies of production, then collaboration with the group companies or Chinese companies and all those. From there, I came back to Mumbai in Sandoz, and I was working as a continuous head improvement for Sandoz. So all their plants of Sandoz for how we do the CI initiative, which was a global initiative, and they were looking for a person who will head this. So I joined there. 2 years, I spent a lot of projects, almost 52 different projects in improvements as such. I moved to India's number one company, which is SH Kelkar and Company, which is now known as Keva. So that was my last job. So I was there for 10 years. So I started as a head of operations. I was the second person to join as a professional team from outside, other than the family members. I moved from planning to operational planning to discussion of negotiations with unions and all those site head. I then took over the charge of SAP implementation across the company. I took care of continuous improvement initiatives and become a CTO type of a position for me. So I was heading the operations as well as the CTO. This year, April, I decided after the extension also, I decided I will quit and start
Yeah.
our own. And myself and one of my old colleagues, started a business called as a Massflare Consultancy, Massflare Leadership Solutions. So it is looking into HR practices and supply chain and operation excellence practices. So we
Right.
started in COVID. So we are into virtual world just. So that
Yes.
is all about my career of 35 years.
What motivated you to actually become a mentor?
Yes, I am a coach also, ICF certified coach. So my trend is towards teaching one various techniques, and I impart knowledge. Whatever I have, I will give it to them. And as I was taking interviews for various candidates from ISBs and other schools, I used to find there is a gap, what they are exactly doing versus what is their education and why this gap comes. And after reading so many things, I came to know that about the DEA. So
Yeah.
what they are doing and how the career mentoring is happening. Even though very late in my career,
Yeah.
after retirement, I am joining DEA as a mentor. But it will help me because of a lot of experience which I am carrying. And I know the subtle differences between mentoring, coaching, and guiding. So mentoring is totally different, and it always I enjoy learning new things. So
Yes.
as I went through their training, I came to know so many aspects which I was not knowing so far, and how deep they are going into these aspects and coming out with solutions which will be helpful for students. So that attracted me more towards there.
How do you see yourself progress in there as a career mentor?
I would say initially, first two sessions we were struggling of understanding because it is more of psychological aspects which we have to understood and this thing. But I had a habit of reading a lot of psychological books and this thing, and it helped. But now putting together all the parameters is really a enjoyable journey. As every day I am going through various quizzes and this thing and understanding more and more deeper into the aspects of how mentoring should be done, and eager to go ahead and have first mentoring session. So let's see how it happens. But I'm really waiting for it
Yeah.
because it will teach more and more details about how exactly it is to be done.
Do you have any message for the parents and the kids out there?
Yes, definitely. Uh, as we have experienced during our journey as a childhood and career where there was no guidance at all, and we were carrying out what my brother has done or what elders are saying against there, where you are getting a good opportunity to learn where your uh, mental status is and where you should go and what are the options available, and definitely people, parents and students should take advantage of this nice opportunity which is available, and with lot of experience what they has built should be utilized for a better future for India. So
Thank you so much, Makaran sir. It was a pleasure talking to you, and it is also a pleasure to have you on board your team.
thank
And
you.
I hope that our journey goes a long way.